Welcome to an exploration of the breathtaking scenery that Lebanon, a small Mediterranean country, has to offer. Nestled between Syria and Israel, Lebanon is a gem waiting to be discovered. It's a land where the mountains meet the sea, offering a unique blend of natural beauty. From the towering snow-capped peaks of the Mount Lebanon Range to the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea, Lebanon's diverse landscapes are a feast for the eyes. But it's not just about the physical beauty. Lebanon's rich history, dating back thousands of years, has left its mark on the landscape. Ancient ruins, historical landmarks, and charming old towns add a layer of intrigue to the stunning natural surroundings. This makes Lebanon a significant destination for travel enthusiasts seeking a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. So strap yourself in and prepare your senses for an unforgettable journey. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey through Lebanon's most captivating landscapes. Imagine standing atop a snow-capped peak, gazing at the vast landscape below. Welcome to Lebanon's majestic mountains. These towering natural wonders form the backbone of this incredible country, a testament to nature's grandeur and a symbol of strength for the people who call this place home. Lebanon's mountain ranges are a geographical marvel. They stretch from the northernmost tip of the country down to the south, crisscrossing the landscape and providing a spectacular backdrop to any journey. The two main ranges, the Lebanon and Anti-Lebanon mountains, are adorned with jagged peaks and deep valleys, creating a terrain that's as challenging as it is beautiful. These mountains are more than just a sight to behold. They are the playground for outdoor enthusiasts. The rugged terrain is a hiker's paradise, offering trails that wind through lush greenery, past cascading waterfalls, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. The mountains' high altitude and cool climate make them perfect for skiing as well. Indeed, Lebanon is one of the few places in the world where you can ski in the morning and swim in the Mediterranean Sea in the afternoon. But the mountains of Lebanon are not just about adventure. They also provide a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Picture yourself in a cozy mountain lodge, nestled among the pines, sipping on a cup of traditional Lebanese coffee as you watch the sunrise over the peaks. It's the perfect place to unwind, to find peace, and to connect with the natural world. And let's not forget the people who live in these mountains. They are the guardians of this land, preserving its beauty for future generations. Their warm hospitality, rich traditions, and delicious cuisine add another layer to the mountain experience, making it even more special. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie seeking your next thrill, a nature lover in search of serenity, or a cultural explorer wanting to immerse yourself in local traditions, Lebanon's mountains have something for everyone. A visit to these mountains undoubtedly offers an unforgettable experience. From the heights of mountains we descend to the sandy shores of Lebanon's beautiful beaches. A land kissed by the Mediterranean sun, Lebanon boasts a coastline that extends over 120 miles. This stretch of land is adorned with a tapestry of beaches, each with its own unique charm. Let's start with the famed beaches of Byblos. This ancient city, one of the oldest continuously inhabited in the world, is home to some of the most picturesque beaches in Lebanon. Imagine lounging on golden sands, the sun warming your skin as the turquoise waves of the Mediterranean gently lap the shore. Moving along the coast, we find the beaches of Tyre. Known for their pristine beauty, these beaches offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, the only sounds you'll hear are the whispers of the wind and the rhythmic symphony of the waves. For the adventurous souls, the beaches of Batroun are a must-visit. Renowned for their water sports, these beaches provide the perfect setting for a day filled with surfing, jet skiing, or even a leisurely boat ride. Yet, the charm of Lebanon's beaches isn't confined to the daylight hours. As the sun dips below the horizon, a new kind of magic unfolds. Beach parties light up the night, with the beats of music blending seamlessly with the rhythm of the waves. The beaches of Jounieh, with their vibrant nightlife, are the epitome of this enchanting transformation, but the real beauty of these beaches lies in their ability to cater to everyone. Whether you're a sun worshipper, a water sports enthusiast, a lover of tranquility, or a party animal, Lebanon's beaches have something to offer you. The beaches of Lebanon, with their crystal-clear waters and golden sands, are a paradise for beach lovers. Each grain of sand tells a story of the land's rich history, while the waves whisper tales of its enduring charm. Lebanon's beautiful beaches are not just a destination, but an experience, waiting to leave an indelible mark on your heart. Venture deeper into Lebanon and you'll find yourself amidst the country's charming cedar forests. Nestled high in the mountains, These verdant expanses are more than just a sight for sore eyes, they are the very soul of Lebanon. The cedar tree, emblematic of the country, has been a significant part of its history and culture. With roots tracing back to ancient civilizations, the cedar trees have witnessed the ebb and flow of time, standing tall and resilient through it all. The cedar forests of Lebanon, known as Ars Arab, or Cedars of the Lord, are a testament to the country's rich biodiversity. These forests are home to the famous Lebanese cedar, a tree that's been celebrated for its high-quality wood since ancient times. It's said that the Phoenicians used this very wood to build their formidable fleet of ships, while King Solomon used it in the construction of the first temple in Jerusalem. As you wander through these forests, you're stepping into a living museum, where each tree has a story to tell. The older trees, some of which are over 1,000 years old, stand as silent sentinels, their gnarled trunks and widespread branches a testament to their age and wisdom. The cedar forests also provide a serene atmosphere, the kind that makes you want to leave your worries behind and simply breathe in the fresh mountain air. The sound of the wind rustling through the leaves, the sight of the sun filtering through the branches, and the scent of nature all around you. It's an experience that's nothing short of magical. But the charm of Lebanon's cedar forest extends beyond their natural beauty. They also play a crucial role in the country's ecology, acting as a refuge for many endemic and endangered species. They are a symbol of resilience and survival, just like the Lebanese people themselves. The cedar forests undoubtedly are Lebanon's green heart. Lebanon's scenery is not just about natural beauty, it's also a journey through time. As we delve into the historical ruins of Lebanon, we embark on a time-traveling adventure, where every stone whispers tales of civilizations past. In Lebanon, history is not confined to dusty textbooks. It's alive, breathing in the very air, etched in the walls of ancient ruins, waiting to be explored. The Phoenician cities, for instance, speak of a maritime civilization that was once the most influential in the ancient world. Their strategic coastal locations, their well-preserved structures, and their intricate designs are a testament to the Phoenicians' prowess in trade, navigation, and urban planning. Moving further into the heart of Lebanon, we stumble upon the grandeur of Roman architecture in the form of majestic temples. The Temple of Bacchus at Baalbek, often considered one of the best preserved Roman temples in the world, is a testament to the architectural genius of the Roman Empire. Its towering columns, intricate carvings, and imposing scale never fail to leave visitors in awe. But it's not just about the Phoenicians and the Romans. Lebanon's historical ruins also tell tales of the Greeks, the Ottomans, and the Byzantines, among others, each civilization leaving their unique mark, contributing to the rich tapestry of Lebanese history. These historical landmarks are more than just remnants of the past. They are symbols of resilience, withstanding the tests of time, wars, and natural disasters. They stand as an enduring legacy of Lebanon's vibrant past, a window into the lives of those who walked the same land centuries ago. Lebanon's historical ruins make the country not just a destination for sun and sea, but also a hub for history enthusiasts. Whether you're a historian, an archaeologist, or simply a curious traveler, Lebanon's historical ruins offer a fascinating journey through time, a chance to touch history, and a unique way to understand the country's rich cultural heritage. These historical ruins make Lebanon a living museum telling tales of the past. From mountain peaks to sandy beaches, from cedar forests to historical ruins, Lebanon is a land of diverse and stunning scenery. This small yet captivating part of the world has taken us on a journey through its majestic mountains, pristine beaches, enchanting cedar forests, and awe-inspiring historical ruins. Each location a testament to Lebanon's extraordinary natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. We've only touched the surface of what Lebanon has to offer. There's so much more to discover, more stories to tell, more beauty to unfold. It's no wonder that this gem in the Middle East is a paradise for travel enthusiasts. As we wrap up our scenic journey, we invite you to continue exploring with us. We're curious, where should our next adventure be? We hope you enjoyed this scenic journey through Lebanon. Comment below which area of the world you would like us to explore next. And remember, your likes and subscribes help our channel grow. Thank you for watching.